Remember this feature? Now we've changed it to Manage Favorites. And we've made it easier for you to put all these under one basket. It can be your friend's e-wallet, a family member's account, a utility or biller, a telco or RFID account, or other merchants. Adding favorites is as easy as it sounds. Just head to Settings and Manage Favorites at the bottom. Add a favorite and fill in all the details. You can even assign nicknames. Tap Confirm and you're good to go. Once you've managed your favorites, you can access them easily and instantly. This is probably our favorite BPI app feature yet. Simple, easy, better. Download and do more with the BPI app. Get it today.